Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll discuss about algorithm. So first we'll discuss about what is algorithm, then we'll discuss about the key characteristics of an algorithm, then we'll give an example. We'll also discuss about the importance of an algorithm, and we'll take an analogy and we'll discuss about that as well. So let's try to understand what is algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure or a set of rules designed to perform a specific task or solve a particular problem. In computer science, algorithms are crucial because they define how a task will be carried out by a computer program. Algorithm can be used for a wide variety of tasks such as sorting data, searching for the information, performing calculations, and much more thing. So let's discuss about one analogy, then we'll discuss about some characteristics of it. An real life analogy for a algorithm is the process of a recipe in cooking. Consider one example that imagine you are baking a cake. The recipe gives you a list of ingredients, so these are the inputs for you, and a set of instruction, that is the algorithm on how to combine them to create a delicious cake, and the delicious cake will be the output. So initially you should have the ingredients, so you have to gather it. So this will be your input, and the last your cake will be ready, so this will be the output. So in similar case, algorithm should have some input and the output, and between the starting and the end of the process you have some set of rules or some set of steps. So each step in the recipe tells you precise what to do: measure the flour or mix it with the sugar, beat the eggs, and preheat the oven and bake the cake for a specific time. So these are some steps that you have to follow, right? So how it relates to an algorithm, let's take an example. Now let's discuss how it relates to an algorithm. So first one, that is the characteristics of a algorithm. It should have some input, right? Algorithm should have a well-defined step. Each steps of the algorithm must be clear and unambiguous. Also it should have some finite number of steps. The algorithm must eventually terminate after a set of number of steps. So as you can see, it's having some steps, but these are some not infinite, it's have some finite number of steps. Also you can see it's having some input. An algorithm may have 0 or more inputs, which are the initial data needed to solve the problem. So in real life, to make a cake you should have some ingredients, but in programming you can give the inputs from the inside the program. So that's the important thing, and it should produce some output, and the algorithm produce one or more output as the solution of the problem. Also one more characteristics of an algorithm, that is the effectiveness. Each step should be simple enough to perform by a computer in the finite amount of time. So here in this example you can see the input ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, etc. In output will be the cake that will be ready, and the steps or procedure, the recipe's instructions which must be followed in a particular order to get the desired result, that is the cake. Also let's discuss about finite. The process at the defined endpoint, the cake is ready to serve. Okay, and efficiency, if we talk about the efficiency, you can choose different methods or algorithm to bake your cake faster with the fewer ingredients or with better taste, just like programming where you choose the efficient algorithm for faster results. So you have to follow this one. You have to gather the ingredients, then make flour, mix ingredients, preheat the oven, then pour butter into it, then bake it, and you have to check it there's cake baked or not. So if no, then you have to continue baking. Other, if it is baked, then you have to take it out from the oven, and then it's ready and you can serve it. So in this way, this one is the algorithm for baking a cake. Okay, now let's talk about the importance of an algorithm. Efficiency. Algorithm help in improving the performance and efficiency of the task, especially when dealing with large data set. The second point, foundation of programming. Almost every task performed by software relies on one or more algorithms. Number 3, problem solving. Algorithm provide a systematic approach to solving computational real-world problems. If we'll talk about one example, the one common algorithm is the sorting algorithm, bubble sort algorithm. If we'll talk about it, then it repeatedly step through the list and compare the adjacent elements and swap them if they are in the wrong order. So this continue until the list is sorted. So I hope you understood that what is algorithm and why it is important, also few characteristics of it. So if you have any question regarding it, you can write it in the comment section. We'll try to solve your problem as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.